McLaren brand is full of surprises from the mixed public opinion as the famous horror cars, with reliability issues to high-performance cars that put Lamborghinis and Ferraris to shame. The British automaker cars are pricier than a spaceship, with a range of products including the plug-in hybrid Artura, the gorgeous 720S, and the GT Grand Tourer. McLaren's F1 car aerodynamic flaws in 2013 hurt their reputation, and with 5K warranty fees plus 3K to 5Ks in yearly service costs, owning one can be a real headache. Is McLaren really the worst supercar brand? Today we reveal the real truth. If McLaren cars are so bad, how do you explain this?
This car just looks like a force of nature. It's so transparent about what it can do. I love it.
This ride quality is so good. For a supercar, it's unbelievably smooth.
And this. In this video, we will review the top 3 McLaren cars in 2024, 2025. 3. 2024. McLaren 750S. Imagine hitting 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Yes, the McLaren 750S can do that. With a staggering 740 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine and 590 pound-feet of torque, this beast is built for raw speed. But the 750S isn't just about straight-line speed. Check this out. It features McLaren's lightest standard wheels ever and an aggressive aerodynamic design that delivers more downforce. The advanced hydraulic suspension system, influenced by the $1 million Senna, provides excellent road feedback for an exhilarating driving experience. For braking, there's an optional ceramic rotor and monoblock caliper package that ensures top-notch stopping power. Plus, the ride height can be adjusted with a simple button press, making it practical for daily driving. Standard Pirelli P0 summer tires are complemented by optional P0 Corsa and Trofeo R tires, with a 19-inch front and 20-inch rear setup. In short, the 750S blends insane performance with cutting-edge technology and everyday usability. Impressive, isn't it? The McLaren 750S is impressive on the road, but its interior could use a bit more flair. Standard Alcantara is nice, and you can upgrade to Nappa leather with the Performance or Techlux packages, which add a touch of luxury. However, while the clean, button-free steering wheel and driver-focused dashboard keep things uncluttered, they might feel a bit too minimalist for some. When compared to the Ferrari 296 GTB or Porsche 918 Spyder, which offer more extensive customization and tech features, the 750S interior can seem a bit stark. The Spyder's power-folding roof does eat into rear cargo space, making it less practical than the coupe. Both versions have a frunk that's notably smaller than the Corvette, which could be a drawback if you need more storage. In our view, while the 750S's interior aligns well with its performance ethos, it might not impress those looking for a more luxurious or tech-rich cabin. It's functional and focused, but could benefit from a bit more refinement and versatility. The McLaren 750S's 7-inch infotainment screen manages climate, Apple CarPlay, and ambient lighting, though it's missing Android Auto. The standard 360-degree rearview camera is a notable upgrade from the 720S, offering better clarity. The Bowers & Wilkins audio system delivers superb sound, but you might want to crank it up if you prefer to mask the P1-inspired exhaust note. Overall, it's solid, but could use more modern connectivity options. Now coming to safety issues, the McLaren 750S comes with a standard 3-year, unlimited mileage limited, and powertrain warranty, which is impressive for peace of mind. For those seeking extra coverage, McLaren offers extended protection for up to 12 years, with a 12,000-mile annual limit. There are safety features like front and rear parking sensors, a front-end lift system, and a 360-degree camera. And even though they enhance safety and convenience, they don't make the car super safe on their own. We recommend opting for the extended warranty. It usually costs between $5,000 and $10,000, but it's a solid investment if you're planning to keep the car for a while or rack up the miles. We believe McLaren 750S is an exotic car through and through, celebrated for its exceptional speed, technology, and design. Definitely not something to be afraid to buy. 2. 2025 McLaren Artura. McLaren Artura 2025 is more than just a topless plug-in hybrid car, boasting a retractable hardtop that retains its iconic flying buttress design. You can lower or raise the roof in just 11 seconds, even at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. How cool is that? McLaren made a few subtle tweaks, like repositioning the cooling vents on the engine cover to work with the new roof mechanism and redesigning the windscreen surround to cut down on buffeting. Weighing in at 3,439 pounds, it's a bit heavier than the coupe, but not by much. Just look at this, the optional electrochromic glass panel. At the touch of a button, this panel can lighten, darken, and block UV rays, essentially giving you a coupe with a panoramic roof and a convertible all in one. It's pretty awesome, and definitely worth considering if you're buying this car. Despite being a convertible, McLaren didn't need to add extra strengthening to maintain the coupe's rigidity. Thanks to the ultra-rigid McLaren Carbon Lightweight Architecture, MCLA, this means the Spider is only 136 pounds heavier than the coupe, making it the lightest convertible supercar out there, lighter even than the Ferrari 296 GTS. Under the hood, the Artura Spider features an updated 3-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine that delivers a thrilling 690 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed transmission that's 25% faster than before. The car zooms from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds and tops out at 205 miles per hour. The end result is a tsunami of torque pushing you back against the seat and driving off like a maniac. One of the coolest features? The lovely flying buttresses. You can peek through these transparent glazed glass sections. They're functional too, directing air toward the engine cooling ducts. New aero ducts throughout the car aid with cooling, including fender vent louvers and side intakes for the radiators. And another important feature, though not readily visible, is the exhaust symposia that cleverly pipe engine sound into the cabin for a more dynamic driving experience. That's right, real engine sound, none of that fake stuff. The buttonless steering wheel is a joy to use with its quick and smooth turning. The rear end of the Artura Spider echoes the P1, the front has a touch of the 750S, and the profile hints at the ultra-rare Sabre. As you can see here, McLaren has nailed the design and performance. Available in 3 trims: Performance, Techlux, and Vision. The Artura Spider starts at $273,800. If you're after a supercar that blends style, speed, and tech, then this is it. Go for it. One, 2025 McLaren GTS. Let's get one thing straight. The McLaren Grand Touring sports car is not as luxurious as Aston Martin and Bentley, but it has a lot of other perks such as F1 performance tech, lightweight design, and upscale cabin. The car rolls on a staggered wheel setup with 20-inch wheels up front and 21 inches in the back. It comes standard with LED headlamps that include rain and light sensors, plus sequential LED indicators. Around the rear, there's a fixed spoiler sitting above slim LED taillights, a large rear diffuser, and some impressive exhaust tailpipes. Inside, you'll find leather upholstery and knurled aluminum controls as standard, giving the cabin a premium feel. Under the hood, McLaren packs in a twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 that cranks out 626 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission that sends all that power straight to the rear wheels. McLaren says it's capable of hitting 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds, which isn't too shabby. Stepping inside, the cabin is more luxurious than that of the typical McLaren, with standard Napa leather upholstery, while even fancier aniline leather is available. An optional panoramic glass roof lets natural light into the cabin. The glass roof is available with an electrochromic feature that allows it to switch from opaque to varying levels of transparency at the touch of a button. There is a frunk with an additional 5 cubic feet of space, while the rear luggage bay offers 15 cubic feet of space. But remember, unlike other supercars with 4-passenger seating, GTS offers 2 passenger seats, and that too without massaging and ventilated features. So that's a downside. Another thing that makes GTS less desirable is the lack of standard safety features like blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control. The only safety feature is the standard backup camera, and this model offers only 3 years limited warranty. We feel GTS can do better in terms of reliability and comfort with a price tag that exceeds $224,400. For a truly exhilarating drive, we suggest the 2025 McLaren 750S. It's the most powerful and agile of the three, offering top performance and safety. With a starting price of $351,240, it's the best of McLaren cars. What do you think? Is McLaren the worst supercar brand? Let's discuss this in the comments section. For more exciting car reviews, stay tuned to our upcoming videos.